Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to edit a Canva template. In this example, I'm using a invoice template that I've made, and most likely if you're watching this, it's because you've purchased this template or a similar one from my Etsy shop. So yeah, I'm just going to keep this quite short just so that you can see how to use your template. So first off, you're probably going to want to edit and add your own logo. So just zoom in first. So to do that, you're going to want to upload your own image to Canva. So I've created this example here. So just on your computer, you just drag and drop the image of your logo onto Canva, and it'll show up over here under Uploads, Images. And so you just select the image, drag and drop it into place. If you want to adjust the size of this, or actually anything that when you hover over it, it becomes purple, that means that you can edit it. And so, for example, here we've got the logo. Use these anchor points if you want to adjust the size. And let's see, there's also some clip art here. If you want, you can adjust that just by selecting it and moving it around, or adjusting the size, whatever suits your brand or your design, or whatever it is to your own liking. And so you're probably also going to want to add your own company name. So just select that. And if you want to change the size, you can select it, use the anchor points to change the font size. You can go over here and increase or decrease the size. Change the font just by going over here. Let's see, we can go with something like this, for example. And then just double click so that it highlights the text so that you can erase it and start typing in your company name. So let's go with let's change that to a different font style. Okay, that's a little bit better. Anyways, so yeah, this rectangle, for example, can also be changed. You can change the size of it. You can also change the color. It's a little bit too dark. Also, these colors are terrible, sorry, but just for the sake of this example, yeah. And so if you want to add like more text, you can just type on your keyboard the letter T, and that'll pop up another text box. Another way that you can do this, select any text that's currently there, and then you can press Command C on the keyboard, and then Command V, or Control C, Control V if you're on a Windows computer or PC, yeah. And so yeah, that's how you add extra text. Let's see, what else is there? Yeah, basically you just want to add in your own information. And then yeah, once you're happy with how your design looks, go over here to share so that you can download this. So go to share, and then download, and then you can save it in whatever format you like. Most likely, you would probably want to use a PDF standard if you're just going to be emailing this to your client, or if you're planning on printing it out, use PDF print, and then just press download, and that's about it. So yeah, I hope that you found this helpful. It's just a very brief overview on how to edit your Canva template. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me a message or leave me a comment below, and see you around. Bye.